Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about window motors and regulators, electric windows, manual windows. You know that electric windows are a blessing if you only have manual windows and you have to lean across the passenger side and roll down the window manually, etc., or walk around the vehicle. Well, today most vehicles come with electric windows, which are a blessing when working, but can be frustrating when not. So today we're talking about some of the components that are involved in a window motor or window motor regulator inside your door. Often folks will come in and say, hey, my window won't go up or down, or worst case scenario, hey, my window went down, won't go up, and it's raining outside. You never want that to happen, obviously, but unfortunately, it's unpreventable sometimes. Often items come, we replace the entire regulator and motor assembly, which is actually this entire assembly here. This is what makes the window go up and down inside your vehicle. Some of them are designed this way mechanically. Some of them have cables, etc. Cables can come undone and fail. Some of them we could just replace the motor if it fails, so very important. Often they are controlled by switches and electronic modules, so diagnosing properly when you have a failed window is very important. Recommend you get in, test the vehicle properly by a qualified technician. That way you're not throwing parts at a vehicle.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFNB.